Hmm.
Good morning, students. So last video we have seen model fourth one, statistical methods, right? So after that we'll see a model 5. So model 5 is a joint probability distribution, right? Joint probability or joint probability distribution. So in this topic, so before going to see some examples on joint probability distribution, we will see some basics of joint probability. Right? Now basics of joint probability is, so before that, in model 3 we have learned already a probability distribution. Probability distribution. In their third model we have learned only a one variable, one random variable, only x, right? Joint probability is nothing but if you have a more than one, or nothing but a more than nothing but only you are taking here only two variables, two random variables, right? We know that if you have only one random variable, we know that to find the probability of that variable, right? Similarly, if you have a two random variables and x and y, here we are defining if x and y are two discrete random variables, we define the joint probability function of x and y by here probability of p of x equal to capital X is equal to small x, comma capital Y equal to small y. So or you are representing as a function f of x comma y, where f of x comma y satisfy the condition. In third model also we have a conditions. Nothing but probability of x is greater than equal to 0, right? And another condition is summation of p of x is equal to 1, right? Same condition here also. This probability of two random variables x and y is equal to, I am writing as a f of x comma y, If you have only one random variable, we are writing only probability of x, probability of p of x or f of x, right? Now here same condition also we are following. F of x comma y is greater than equal to 0. In there, if you have only one random variable, only f of x is greater than equal to 0. And sum of x, sum of y, ranging x and ranging function of y is f of x comma y equal to 1, equals to 1. Now definition of the joint probability. The set of variables of f of xi comma yj equal to, we are denoting jij for I equal to 1, 2, 3 and so on up to m, j equal to 1, 2, 3 so on up to n is called the joint probability distribution function. So this definition we call it as, only this function we call it as a joint probability distribution. When we are going to function of x and y, that is called as a joint probability distribution. Hello. Here, joint probability function of x and y. Then another definition, another basic point is marginal probability distribution. Here, in the joint probability table, here we have a table. I am reading here this table. I am explaining afterwards. Here, joint probability distribution table, f of x1 and so on, f of x1, f of x2 and so on up to f of xm respectively represents the sum of all entries here. So j11, j12, j13, this all sum of equal to f of x1. Here I am written first row of, then second row and up to mth row, right? These all values, first row, second row and third row. F of x is nothing but these first row, f of x is nothing but second row, and so on up to f of x is nothing but a mn row, right? Similarly, g function of y1, g function of y2, so on up to g function of ym respectively represents the sum of all the entries of first column, second column, so on up to nth columns. That is, here I am getting it, right? We have this given table, so forming table. This table nothing but a joint probability table. We have a random variable, x variable, then y random variables, right? Capital X and capital Y, right? Sum of this nothing but sum of x1, x2, xp, x capital X, sum of capital Y, right? A y1 plus y2 plus so on up to yn, right? Here, sum of these are equal to f of x1, sum of these are equal to f of x2, and so on up to sum of these equal to f of xm. Similarly, column wise, sum of these equal to g of y1 and so on, like this, right? Finally, this sum equal to 1 and this sum equals to 1, right? This sum equal to always 1. Here I am written that is then predefinition. F of x is nothing but j11 plus j12 and so on up to j1n. Right? Next, g of, you can write here, f of x2 equal to row wise. F of x is row wise sum, then g of y1 is column wise sum. Here, g of y1 is j11 plus j21 and so on up to jm1. Right? Similarly, g of y2, second column, g of y2 is j12 plus j22 plus so on up to jm and so on up to here. We need f of xm equal to jm1 plus jm2 plus so on jmn. Similarly, g of yn equal to j1n plus j2n so on up to jm. Ready for the right? Are called the marginal probability distribution of x and y. So this table is nothing but if you have done this f of x1, f of x2, g of y1, g of y2 nothing but a marginal probability distribution. Alright? Then now when we are going to solve some examples, we need some expectation, variance and covariance and correlation. This is main thing of in this concept, joint probability distribution. Right? So here we have, if you have only single variable, nothing but x, we have only single variable x. So how to write the expectation, then variance, then correlation? How to write covariance? Then, if we have only single variable x is a discrete random variable, already knows in third model. If we have a capital X, we have some random variables x1, x2 up to xn having the probability function of f of x, then the expectation of x is denoted by capital E of x. We are denoting capital E of x. Capital E nothing but expectation. So already we know that. Or we are denoting the mu x. Either you can write expectation of x or mu x. Both are same. Is defined by the relation mu x equal to or expectation of x e of x equal to sum of I equal to 1 to n xi f of xi. Sum of I equal to 1 to n xi into f of xi. Right? This is the expectation of x, any random number or mu x. Right? Similarly, the variance of x denoted by, you know that already, v of x is defined by v of x equal to same expression, third model, expression. summation I equal to 1 to n xi minus mu whole square into f of xi, or equal to expectation of x minus mu whole square, where mu is the, we know that, mean of x. Mu is the mean of x. Then standard deviation delta x equal to square root of variance of x, v of x is called the standard deviation, SD, right? Standard deviation of x. This we know that already we learned in third module. Similarly, ಇಲ್ಲಿ only one variable ಇದ್ದಾಗ ಈ ತರ ಡಿಫೈನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾಸ್. If you have a two variables, I am writing here. If x and y are two discrete random variables having the joint probability function of f of x comma y, then the expectation of x and y are defined as follows. Defined as follows. We are using these relations. Other itna barithive. So mu capital X equal to expectation of capital X equal to sum of x, sum of y, x into f of x comma y, or this is equal to summation. This x nothing but we are arranging the I equal to 1 to n. I equal to this I xi into f of x equal to, right? Then mu y equal to expectation of y equal to sum x, sum y, so y into f of x comma y, this is equal to summation j yj g of yj, right? Comma, if you have expectation of both x and y, then expectation of both x comma y, or mu of x comma y, mu of x comma y, or this expectation of x y equal to summation I j xi yj j ij, capital J I j. We are reading this. This is important. This formula. When you are going to solve examples, please use this formula and these two expressions. So more important, right? You more than you more than then covariance. Formula for covariance. Covariance of x comma y. Covariance of x comma y equal to sum I, sum of j, nothing but xi minus mu x into y j minus mu y into capital J I j, or this is equal to, you can write like this also, expectation of x minus mu x into y minus mu y. This is also important. This one formula, right? This is also you have to remember. Then, or you can write covariance, or this is equal. You can write like this also, or like this. Both are same, right? This covariance. Nothing but covariance of x comma y equal to sum y, sum of j xi yj, then I j ij minus mu x mu y, or equals to this expectation of x y minus mu x mu y. It's important. This is important, right? Expectation is covariance of x y, nothing but expectation of x y minus mu x mu y, right? Then the correlation of x and y, we know that correlation of only x we have expression, that is rho of x equal to so variance divided by so delta x delta y. So previous class ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ, delta x square plus delta y square minus delta x minus y square divided by delta x delta y ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ. ಅದೇ ರೀತಿನ the correlation of we have two random variables, discrete random variables, so delta of x comma y equal to covariance of x y, covariance of x y ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ. other variable is so delta x delta, so delta x delta nothing but so that standard deviation of random variable x, standard deviation of random variables y. So this is so basis we need the when you are going to solve the joint probability